How to fix laptop battery not charging. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your laptop battery is not charging. But before that, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you are trying to charge your laptop battery but it's not charging, then there might be a few issues, so here is how to fix it. First thing you're going to do is right click on your Windows icon to open up your device manager. And once you open up your device manager, the first thing you're going to do is find your battery section. Go ahead and tap on batteries and then click on this drop down. Now here I have two battery adapters. So what you're going to do is right click on it and update both of these drivers. So if you update both of these drivers, what happens is it will automatically search for drivers on your computer, and if it says the best driver for you is already installed, then you're going to do the same thing for the other one. So just right click on it and click on update driver. You can also browse through your computer to update it, or you can just allow it to automatically search for drivers. And if it says the best driver is already installed, then what you're going to do is try to disable the device or uninstall device. Click on uninstall device, do the same for this one, and then shut down your computer. Then if your laptop battery is detachable, you are just going to remove the battery from your laptop and place it back in, and then restart your computer, boot it up, and then your problem should be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.